I don't want to get it.
What are you looking to get? Yeah. Let me close it for you. Great job. No fine? No. I think that was a once in like a one-time thing. All right, let's park. Where are we going to park? So many spots to choose from today. All right, it's nice and quiet. Pretty much all the traffic is died down for the day. What is that? I didn't push you, but I wasn't trying to push you. Oh my gosh. You cranky when you don't get a nap. A little cranky little 8-year-old baby. I just joking. You're gonna do the Reese's, right? Did you do Reese's already?
Yes.
Okay.
You didn't do this?
No, I didn't. I did the pies.
Okay.
And the cookies.
Okay.
Oh, I like that. You're doing the inventory while you're watching what, TikTok? What is that? Cat videos?
Yeah.
So you're good at multitasking. That's good to know. All right, you want to come and update the inventory, ma'am? She does all the easy work. I do all the hard work.
And
I
you said
did the
this is
bottom,
fine.
so you
You
can.
said this is fine. You said this is
Oh, you were
fine.
paying attention. Okay, I got it. Yeah, that was fine. I said this is fine. I did update the Reese's.
Yes, I did.
You did that?
No.
Okay, I'll pull it out.
Because you were going so fast.
I'm sorry. One moment. This tray is good. What do you want?
I don't want to get it.
What are you looking to get? Yeah. Let me close it for you. That'll be easier. Hold on a second. I think that's it. I didn't I did put Lorna Doone.
Wanna do?
So let me tell you.
Oh my
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, can you hand me a few water bottles? You gonna push that tray in? Won't you practice?
Wait.
Okay. That's not full though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's only 9. It's not full.
I know. I put it 9.
Oh, I thought you put full. I'm sorry. Sorry for interrupting. Sorry. I'm gonna let you do your thing. Okay, are we done?
Yes.
Okay, get practice. Pull it. Putting in the tray. Push it. Lift it and push it all the way in. All the way up. Push it up and in. There you go. Great job. No 5? Okay, can I get some water bottles, please? Let me
Do
get.
it again. Do this again.
Great. Let me get some water bottles in the back. Put those to the side. Those are the
Yeah.
defected ones. Let me tell you how many I need. I need 4